Are you still cleaning your floors with dirty mop water? Because that's one thing I never really thought about until I tried this. Most traditional mop buckets mix your clean and dirty water together, which means you're continuously mopping your floors with water that already picked up dirt and debris. That's what makes this mop bucket so different. It features a clean and dirty water separation system. So you're always mopping with fresh water instead of putting dirty water right back onto your floors. And if you have hardwood or tile floors like I do, that's a feature you'll definitely appreciate. One thing I really like is the 1.5 gallon clean water capacity. That means fewer trips to refill your bucket while you're cleaning large areas around your home. It also comes with 6 reusable mop heads, which is great because you'll always have extra ready when one needs to be washed. Another feature I wasn't expecting to love is the 4 swivel wheels. Instead of carrying a heavy bucket from room to room, you can simply roll it along with you while you clean. The 61-inch handle is another nice touch because it provides a comfortable reach while mopping, helping make everyday cleaning a little easier. And because it's designed with apartments and smaller spaces in mind, it doesn't take up a lot of storage space when you're finished using it. I received this product for honest feedback. And what I love most about this mop isn't actually the mop. It's knowing that I'm cleaning my floors with fresh water instead of continuously dipping my mop into dirty water. If you're looking for a mop bucket that's easy to use, separates clean and dirty water, includes 6 reusable mop heads, and makes everyday floor cleaning more convenient, this is definitely one worth considering. And if you see something that you like, the link is in the description.